Pixel 11 Pro XL leaks are here, but instead of a bold redesign, Google is playing it safe again. Same look, same feel, and almost no changes. Is this the smartest move or a missed opportunity? The Pixel 11 Pro XL has just leaked in high-quality renders, and if you were expecting a big design upgrade, you might be a little surprised, or maybe not surprised at all. Because the biggest takeaway from these leaks is simple. This phone looks almost exactly like last year's Pixel 10 Pro XL. Yes, really. Google seems to be sticking to its current design language, and at this point, it's clear that the company believes, if it's not broken, don't fix it. But that approach can also feel a bit repetitive. Let's break down what's actually new here. From the front, the Pixel 11 Pro XL appears nearly identical to its predecessor. The screen size is expected to stay at around 6, and the bezels don't seem to be getting any thinner this time. The overall dimensions are also almost unchanged. The phone is said to measure 162 7x76 5x8 5mm. That's basically the same size as before, with only a tiny difference that most users won't even notice. So where is the change? The only visible update so far is on the back. The camera bar, which has become a signature design element for Pixel phones, is now fully black from one end to the other. On the previous model, the camera bar partially matched the phone's body color. It's a small detail, but it does give the phone a cleaner and more unified look. Some people might even say it looks more premium. Still, let's be honest, this is not a major redesign, and that's where things get a bit interesting. Over the past few weeks, we've seen leaks for the entire Pixel 11 lineup. The Pixel 11 Pro Fold showed a slight change in the camera module. The standard Pixel 11 came with slimmer bezels, and the Pixel 11 Pro looked very similar to its previous version. Now with the Pixel 11 Pro XL, it's clear that Google is following a consistent strategy across the lineup, small tweaks instead of big changes. That might be a good thing for some users. If you already like the Pixel design, this means you're getting a familiar look with some refinement. But if you were hoping for something fresh and exciting, this might feel a bit underwhelming. Now let's talk about what's inside the phone. While nothing is officially confirmed yet, there are some strong expectations. The Pixel 11 Pro XL will likely be powered by the new Tensor G6 processor. This chip is expected to bring better performance, improved efficiency, and stronger AI capabilities. Battery life should also see a boost, with rumors pointing to a FF200i battery. That would make it one of the larger batteries in a flagship device. As for RAM, things are still uncertain. There's some speculation that Google might reduce it from 16GB to 12GB in order to keep the price under control. But not everyone is convinced that this will actually happen. Pricing is another big question. The Pixel 10 Pro XL launched at around first $200, and with rising chip costs, it might be difficult for Google to keep the same price this year. But if they manage to stay competitive, the Pixel 11 Pro XL could still be a strong option in the flagship market, especially when you consider the competition. Phones like the Galaxy S26 Ultra are expected to start at even higher prices, which could give Google an advantage if it plays its cards right. So, does the Pixel 11 Pro XL have what it takes to succeed? The answer depends on what you're looking for. If you care about design innovation, this phone might feel a bit boring. There's no major visual upgrade, and it doesn't really stand out from last year's model. But if you care more about performance, software, and AI features, then this could still be one of the best Android phones of 2026. At the end of the day, Google is focusing on consistency and refinement instead of taking big risks. Whether that strategy pays off or not will depend on how much users value new features over a fresh design. One thing is certain, the Pixel 11 Pro XL is not trying to surprise you. It's trying to perfect what already works.